I have a new SmallRig wireless remote controller that I'll be connecting to my iPhone 16 Pro Max. I'm currently charging it, and as you can see, the LED lights are flashing, indicating that it is connected to a charger. It is connected via USB. The SmallRig wireless remote controller is now no longer flashing, indicating that the device is now fully charged. I will now connect the device to my iPhone 16 Pro Max. Once fully charged and powered on, you double-click the SmallRig remote controller to enable Bluetooth. On the iPhone, in the Bluetooth setting, you can now pair the remote controller and your phone. As you can see, my SmallRig device is showing up as a connected device. I'll now try enabling my iPhone with the remote controller using Baby Yoda. So this is my iPhone focused on the Baby Yoda, and I'll use my remote controller to start recording. And it's recording. And press once more to stop recording. And there you have it. This is the footage from my iPhone 16 Pro Max, shot in portrait mode.